Hello and welcome. My name is Lindsay Monal and I'm a meditation and pranayama teacher here at YogaRenew. In this series, we're going to be exploring what meditation is, and I'll be guiding you through a few simple practices that you can try to start to bring a little bit more mindfulness and awareness into your breath and into your body. There's no need to be afraid. You can meditate anytime, anywhere you are, and this is really an accessible practice for all people. So if you even have an inkling of interest in meditation and exploring how it can benefit you in your life through your sleep, through reducing your blood pressure, through just making you more present, calm, and happy in your life, then you're in the right place. Meditation is a state of awareness that we can reach through bringing our awareness into our body and stilling our mind. Meditation doesn't mean that you have to completely get rid of all your thoughts. Instead, it's finding a balance between noticing the thoughts and what comes up for you and being able to still hold your attention without getting caught up in the thoughts. So a lot of people think, oh, I'm not going to be a good meditator because I can't sit still or I can't get my mind to stop racing. And that's totally normal. Even I still have problems where there's days that I sit down and I can't get my mind to quiet down and I want to fidget around, right? So that's completely normal, especially as you're starting to learn meditation. But through this practice, we can start to develop a little bit more awareness and presence in our body so that when those distractions and things come up around us, we're not so easily triggered by them and we can kind of sit through that discomfort for a moment. And this type of practice through meditation really trains us to be able to also do that when we're not in a quiet room practicing meditation by ourselves. So when somebody comes up to you and you have an uncomfortable conversation, instead of going into that reactionary, angry, or fearful mode, you can learn to take a breath and approach the situation with a little more calmness, a little more stillness, and a little bit more presence. I found meditation at a time in my life where I was struggling with anxiety, depression, and overall just wasn't feeling so great in my mind or body. Practicing meditation helped me find a little more space between my thoughts, helped me organize what I wanted to say and how I wanted to approach my life. And so instead of not being able to sleep at night or, worrying about what was going to happen the next day, I was finding myself meeting the moment head on and really being more prepared and more calm through stressful situations. Meditation can help with so many different things, whether you're dealing with stress, anxiety, depression, if you have a lot going on at work or kids or whatever you're balancing. Meditation is a tool that's accessible to anyone and also really, really useful to help you come into your mind, come into your body, and into your breath with a little more awareness. So we're going to practice some meditation techniques that are going to help us slow down our breath, which in turn slows down the thoughts in our mind. And when we have space between the thoughts, we're better able to make a decision and come to the right conclusions without so much busyness or stress. When we're in this kind of fight or flight feeling in the body, when we're under a high stress situation, our brain is moving a mile a minute and we're not making decisions in the best way that we could because we're in this kind of survival mode. Right? So meditation helps to train the body to slow down and train the mind to slow down. So when we're in those stressful situations, we can better manage what our reactions are going to be. And instead of lashing out on somebody, we learn to take a breath and to approach the situation with a little more calmness. So if this is your first time meditating, there's no need to worry. You can do meditation exactly where you are, right here, right now. If you're driving, I encourage you not to close your eyes. But if you're anywhere that you can sit and be still and maybe allow the eyes to close, go ahead and do that. So as you start to settle here into your body, you might allow those eyes to close or just fixate your awareness on one non-moving point on the floor in front of you. See if you can relax your jaw, relax your shoulders, and just find a comfortable tall seat with your head over your heart and your heart over your hips. As you start to settle here, just bring your attention to your breath. You don't have to try to change the breath in any way, but I just want you to notice what's happening here with the breath. Where are you most easily able to connect with your breath moving through your body? Do you feel your breath most through your nostrils, the back of the throat, in your lungs or in your abdomen? Just start to notice here, locate the breath, and feel the breath starting to move through your body. Again, you don't have to take a deeper breath or change the breath in any way. See here if you can just observe, noticing the breath exactly as it is, here and now. As you inhale, just feel yourself expanding a bit more. And as you exhale, feel yourself releasing out that air. Start to notice the path of the breath moving through your body, the rhythm of the breath, connecting with where you're feeling the breath most easily in the body, and holding your attention here on the inhales and on the exhales. Like a warm ocean wave, each inhale brings in relaxation, and each exhale takes away any tension in the body or mind. Feel these waves of breath washing over you for a few moments. Inhaling relaxation, exhaling tension. Just continue breathing like this, watching the wave of the breath moving through your body. As you continue to breathe here, holding your attention on your breath, recognize that you are meditating here. You can do this practice at any time that you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed or like you just need a break. Just watch the breath flowing into and out of your body. Maybe visualizing that warm ocean wave washing over you. Breathing in relaxation and exhaling as you let go of tension. Together, let's take a full breath in. Big sigh out, let it go. And just take a moment to notice here how you're feeling without a right way to feel. Congratulations, you've just meditated. And now in our other videos, we'll go through different styles of meditation to help you bring a little more mindfulness into your body and into your breath. Thank you.